So you can give any domain name here. Cybercom or Cyberark.com or Cyber anything. Now click on Next. Put one password for recovery. This password is not required at later stages, but you can assign one password. Anything is fine. Okay, I'll just pick up the whatever is there. This is recovery password, is it? Yeah. Go for Next. Yeah. Again Next. Here it will pop up automatically Cyber. Yeah, Next. So you can keep on clicking Next, Next and Next. Install. Close this. Yeah, close. It will reboot automatically. Sure. Okay. So before tomorrow's class you need to spin up one more VM, just operating system and VMware tools. So in that name that server as a component server. So in tomorrow's class we start the installation of the PVWA server. Okay, so we'll try to complete the PVWA and the CPM in a single class installation plan. Okay, then day after tomorrow we'll go to theory part. Okay, but can we not have the PVWA and the CPM installed at the same AD? Not in AD, in a different server. Third server, we'll install all the three components, PVWA, CPM and VSM on a single server in our lab. Okay, so you want me to install one more VM. So you need to install two VMs. So one is for AD and the third one is for component server. The same VM, right? Just you need to spin up two VMs. One is for AD and the third one is for component server. Just operating system and VMware tools, that's it.